or we can first declare the variable and after that we can assign the value to it. Like here I have done int x equal to 10, declared the variable and assigned the value, or I can write like this, int x, then this is the declaration only, and this is the initialization means putting the value or assigning some value to it. Variable can also initialize after declaration. I have explained here. Initialization of variable means assigning a value to the variable. The value to be assigned to a variable should be of the data type of which the variable is declared. If other data type value is assigned to the variable, then it will give compile time error. So it is saying that if I am declaring some type of variable and I am assigning different type of value, then it will give compile time error. You can see here I have declared the variable of type integer. This a is of type int and I am assigning string value developer script, so this is invalid.